A Chinese man lost almost half his liver after consuming an undercooked fish. Parasitic worms found in the fish laid eggs inside the man's liver. The doctors managed to save him in time. This ring is made up of dinosaur bone, meteorite, and gold, one of the rarest form of ring. Rajendra Chola, he got an artificial lake measuring 16 miles long and 3 miles wide constructed at his capital Gangaikonda Cholapuram, which is till date one of the largest man-made lakes in India. According to Chinese medicine, placing ice on the spot for 10 to 15 minutes helps increase vitality, improves mood, relieves headache, regulates the digestive system, and helps you sleep better. This ship from New Zealand ran away and hid in a cave just to avoid shearing. When it was found after 6 years, it looked like this. Arina Sheikh tells fans to unfollow her on Instagram if they only know her as Cristiano Ronaldo's ex-GF and loses 11 million followers in 24 hours. In 2015, an 18-year-old man in Texas chose to commit suicide by snakebite. Sitting in his car, he allowed his pet cobra to bite him multiple times on each arm. He was found dead from cardiac arrest. The snake had escaped the car and was later found on a nearby road. Bill Gates changed his school's program code so he was placed in class with mostly female students. Did you know in 1924 people used to play real life chess called as human chess? In Poland, bicycle paths glow at night which are charged by the sun. This is a racing camel haircut in Rajasthan. Amazing art. A 370-pound golden Bengal tiger bows its head and placed a paw up to the hand of a small girl. An Australian woman trying to prove that she could climb Mount Everest while on a vegan diet died of altitude sickness. Louis Vuitton always burns their unsold products instead of letting it to be sold on a discount. Tokyo Skytree is the tallest structure in Japan and second tallest in the entire world. This is the image of behind the scenes of Man vs. Wild. This man's job is to deliver food to Siberian tigers. The inventor of the fidget spinner surrendered the patent in 2005 because she could not afford $400 fees to renew the patent. Popcorn is by far the healthiest snack. It builds bones, muscle tissues, aids digestion, and it's also good for the teeth. An outraged Indian king purchased 10 Rolls-Royce cars and used these cars as garbage collectors. When he was insulted by Rolls-Royce salesman in London saying he could not afford it. If you pour cold water into a person's ear, their eyes will move in direction of the opposite ear. If you pour warm water in their ear, their eyes will move towards that ear. This is used to test brain damage and is called caloric stimulation. Sniper bullets can travel so far that the rotation of the earth will move the target and shooters have to adjust their aim accordingly. One of the main attractions in Pyongyang, North Korea is a female chimpanzee named Aziela, who generally goes through about a pack of cigarettes a day. The largest cave in the world, Hang Son Dong, is in Vietnam. It's over 200 meters high and has its own climate, jungles, rivers and clouds inside. A woman has platinum heart surgical implanted in eye. This is known as eye jewelry. Researchers say there is absolutely no risk of going blind or any visual loss. Meet Vinod Dham, an Indian, is an inventor of Pentium chip used in computers. Today 90% of computers run on it. He is popularly known as the father of Pentium chip for his contribution in development of highly successful Pentium processor from Intel. Dr. Religa monitors his patient's vitals after 23-hour-long successful heart transplant. His assistant is sleeping in the corner. 1987, the patient not only survived the surgery but outlived his doctor. On the morning of 11-11-11, South Africa needed 111 runs to win at 11:11 am.